Hey guys, Homestead Know How Life is Good. So what we've done today is we've done some mowing. Took the mower, mowed my back lawn good and short for something we're doing this weekend. Then I just went around in a circle and blew everything into probably about a 10 by 10 section. And then I took a pitchfork and I'm putting it in the wheelbarrow, bringing it down here and feeding it to the hogs. Alright, so they'll eat this. It picks up pretty good with a pitchfork. You just throw it over and they'll take care of it for you. Now if you have a bagger for your lawnmower, this works out even better, but I don't have a bagger for my zero turn. I have a Ferris IS700Z and I've not decided to invest in a bagger for it. So with that being said, this is another way to save on feed cost. Or if you're in a pinch and you're out of feed, if your grass is tall, you can mow and feed them the grass clippings. And instead of it just laying on your field going to waste, you can use it as feed. Alright guys, we're going to finish this up. Homestead Know-How, like, share, subscribe. Smash the thumbs up. Like it. Hit that notification bell to get more notifications. We hope you have a blessed day.